Hi friends, in this video I want to explain about how to conduct Ohm's law in practical way. Clear? So actually I do not have equipment, but I want to explain in theoretical. So based on this theoretical explanation you can conduct experiment in practical. Clear? So just see here. Yes. Ohm's law. Yes, Ohm's law. Now what is the definition of Ohm's law actually? Yes, what is the definition of Ohm's law? At any constant temperature, the current flowing in the circuit is always directly proportional to applied voltage. Clear? Yes. Based on this, we can say that I is equal to V. Clear? If we are applying some voltage, then we can say that some amount of current will flows. It means what? Current is always directly proportional to applied voltage. But here we are taking divided by resistance R. Okay. What is the concept behind this? Just see here. So I am talking about resistance. Clear? So here based on this equation we can say that I is directly proportional to applied voltage, but I is inversely proportional to resistance. Clear? It means I is directly proportional to applied voltage, and the relation between the I and R is I is directly proportional to 1 by R. Or we can say that I is inversely proportional to resistance. Yes. Now see here, if you are applying some voltage, then current value will change. But here the value of resistance and the value of current having inversely proportional. It means what? If suppose we are going to take I value and R value. Now see here, if R value is equal to 0, then the value of current is max. Clear? If R value is not equal to 0, then I is not equal to 0. Clear? If R value not equal to 0 means I is also not equal to 0. But here R value is equal to infinity, then I is equal to 0. It means what? R is equal to 0. It means there is no value of resistance in the circuit. Means maximum amount of current will flows. If R is not equal to 0, it means definitely some amount of current will flows. If R is equal to infinity, then I is equal to 0. If R is equal to infinity means what? Yes, it is a open circuit. Yes or no? R is equal to infinity means it is a open circuit. In case of open circuit, there is no chance to flow the amount of current in the circuit. That's why I is always is equal to 0. R is equal to infinity means I is equal to 0. Okay. So the relation between I and R is always inversely proportional. That's why in order to oppose this particular current flowing in the circuit, always we need to take some amount of resistance in the circuit. Clear? So what is the property of resistance? Yes, resistance is a property. It will always opposes the flow of current in the circuit. Clear? So based on this concept we are going to include the value of resistance in the circuit. Now take one circuit and see the what is the theoretical procedure and what is the practical procedure. Yes, now go for the theoretical first. Yes. Now, for example, this is a circuit we are taking. Clear? Now, see here, we have some voltage we are applying to the circuit, and the circuit having some resistance R is equal to 10 ohms. Clear? Now, to calculate this value, actually, what is the formula? Yes, I is equal to V divided by R. Clear? So, applied voltage and current will flows and having some resistance R here. Okay, so to find this current value in this particular circuit, so use this formula and directly we can find, yes, I is equal to V by R. We know the value of applied voltage, that is 10, divided by the value of resistance R is equal to 10 ohms. So we can say that 1 ampere of current will flows in the circuit. Clear? So this is the procedure in theoretical. And what is the practical? Yes. So this is the theoretical way we are calculating the value of what? Current. Clear? Now how to conduct same Ohm's law experiment in practical? Yes, by connecting one ammeter in the circuit. Clear? So by connecting ammeter in series with this particular resistance, then whatever the amount of current is flowing in the circuit, so same amount of current will shows in this particular ammeter. Clear? So definitely we are applying some voltage is equal to 10 volts and having a value of resistance R is equal to 10 ohms. Then based on this formula, this ammeter will shows 1 ampere. Clear? 1 ampere. It means what? So in order to find current flowing in the circuit, we have to take ammeter and we need to connect this ammeter in series with the value of resistances only. Clear? So then only it will shows the exact value of current flowing in the circuit. Clear? For example, if suppose we have 4 resistances, clear? Then how to find the value of current in practical? Just see. Yes. For example, this is the circuit and having 4 values of resistances and all are connected in series. Clear? Now in theoretical way, just we need to find the equivalent resistance or total resistance in the circuit. Just see. R1, R2, R3, R4. We have 4 resistances and all these are connected in series. Clear? So if all resistance are connected in series, then how to find the equivalent resistance? Yes, directly we can add all these 4 resistances. Clear? So R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus R4. Clear? Now values of resistances 10, 20, 30, 40. 10, 20, 30, 40. Yes. Now 40 plus 30, 70, 70 plus 20, 90, 90 plus 10, 100 ohms. Clear? 100 ohms of resistance is the total amount of resistance available in this particular circuit. Now I is equal to V divided by resistance RT, or total resistance. Now how much? V is equal to 10 divided by value of resistance, how much? Yes, 100. Now 0, that is equal to 0.1 ampere of current will flows in the circuit. Clear? So 0.1 ampere of current will flows in this circuit if all these resistances are connected in series. Clear? Now same amount of current will shows in the practical way. How it is possible? Yes, directly we can take one ammeter and connect one ammeter in series with the series combination of all these resistances. Then we can observe here, definitely this ammeter will shows 0.1 ampere in practical. Clear? So this is the procedure we need to follow whenever we are going to conduct Ohm's law in practical way. Clear? So thank you so much for watching and please do subscribe my channel, and if you like videos then please share with your friends. Thank you so much.